Option 2 of the Key Stage 4 examination courses in PE. Our new course is BTEC Sport. It's run through Pearson, and it's a level 1 or level 2 tech award. It's equivalent to 1 GCSE. The course style is that it's similar to GCSE in that it's theory. Students will learn about different sports, physical activity, and developing skills. They will do leadership opportunities. They will also look at performing practically as a sports person. There are 3 units or 3 components, as they're called in BTEC. 2 are worth 30% each, and the third is worth 40%, which is an exam. Breakdown of the units, you can see that we're going to try and complete 2 units, start and finish in year 10. Component 1 is a coursework-based unit or centre assessed task, and that will involve preparing participants to take sport and physical activity, exploring different types of provision, looking at barriers and ways to overcome them, researching different equipment and technology in sport, and then learn how to prepare our bodies for participation in sport. So that's learning about things like the warm-ups, cool-downs, etc. Component 2 is also worth 30%. As you can see, that in blue, these are practical. Now, part of component 1, students will learn some of the content practically. However, where it says practical in blue for component 2, this is where students will actually get given a grade for being a sports performer, whether it's a footballer, netballer, table tennis player. They will also look at the roles of officials, and they will look at ways to apply methods and drills to improve the performance of themselves and others. So there's actually a lot more practical in Unit 2 or Component 2 than there is in our previous course. Thinking about practical is really important. We strongly suggest, we stress that students take sport at least in one activity outside of school. That needs to be for an organised club, okay? And obviously, the more hours of sport that students can be physically taking part in outside of school, the better chance they are going to score in their grade when they are assessed in this course. The last component is component 3, which is an exam. It's an exam unit. They sit it in year 11. They look at developing fitness to improve other people's performances. So learning about components of fitness, strength, endurance, speed. They will learn about fitness testing and understand how you can test the body and push it to its limits. And then they'll create a training program in order to develop students or other performers and how to improve their performance based on the results from those fitness tests, almost like a fitness instructor creating a training program for someone over a 6-week period and then assessing